All right, example number 2. So Jeremy is asked to order snacks for an applied 11 party, and he decides to order donuts that come in packs of 6. He estimates that he will need 3.5 donuts per person. How many packs should he buy? Well, now this is a question that normally I, again, have a lot of class participation on, because I tend to use the class as the example of how many people. And so because we don't have, or you're not in a class here, I'm going to use a number. I'm going to kind of use a generic number. And so I'm going to use the number 23 students. Okay, most because it's an odd number. I don't want a nice even number. It's nice to have something a little bit of an odd number. So we're going to use 23 students. Now, again, this would be based on the class that we're in at that point, and we might include the teacher in there as well, but for now we're just going to include the 23 students. So if he has to order donuts that come in packs of 6, okay, so each one's going to be a pack of 6, that's all he's going to get, and he needs 3.5 donuts per person. We have to first figure out how many donuts per person does he need to buy. And so we take the 3.5 donuts per person and multiply by the 23 students. So 3.5 times 23, and we get that he needs to buy 80.5 donuts. Now don't get confused by the 0.5. No, we're not going to like split up half a donut into half and then each person gets exactly 3.5. We all know that when it comes to snacks, everybody has a different amount. And so this is just the average of what people are going to have. Some people might have 1, some people might have 10. But when it comes to average, it's going to be 3.5. So that means that we have 80.5 donuts that Jeremy's going to have to buy. Now, we want to figure out how many packs is that. And so we're going to take the number of donuts, and now we're going to divide by 6 donuts per pack. And we could set up a ratio if we wanted to as well, or we can just know that's dividing. And this is 13.42 packs of donuts. Well, again, now there's different scenarios that we could have out there, but we're going to be using the one that we're going to buy packs of 6. If he buys 13 packs, if we round down to the nearest pack, because we can't buy part of a pack, that's just, no store is going to let you do that. They're going to still charge you for the full pack. But if we buy only 13 packs, we wouldn't get enough donuts. We would only have 78 donuts. Okay, I believe that would be, it'd be 78. So we'd get only 78. So we'd be down 2.5 donuts, which is like pretty much a full person worth of donuts. So what we need to do is we always need to, in this case, make sure we have enough. So we're going to round up to 14 packs of donuts. That way, Jeremy is for sure going to have enough for his classmates.